Well, y'all, day one. Went ahead and covered the bald spots with side. I took care of my side and the neighbor's side. No more seeds. Done with it. The pool is looking good. We had the leak detection company out yesterday and they found the hole over here in this corner. Needless to say, we got to stay off the edge of the pool. Don't know if the liner or what's under it. I'm not really sure. Jack's been working on enclosing the pump room so that you don't see that while you're in the backyard. He's putting up a fence so that the fence mirrors the one we have up. Still no word on what we're doing on this side. Do the rest of this over here. Let it do whatever it's gonna do since it didn't do anything for me over there in the bald spots. I also did my neighbor's side over here. It's been a long time coming and she didn't need to be bald headed and without grass because of whatever we did. So all my seeds are going back there, so I'm not even going to put anything back there. That's going to grow. But just giving you guys a look at what's been going on. Most of that's filled in. Alright, I will talk to you all later. Bye.